Welcome back, guys. I'm me again, Yannis, to show you how to stay alive in another creature attack or something like that. That's what they told me in the reception. Anyway, today we're talking about crocodiles. So, crocodiles are large reptiles, the largest in fact. They live in the tropics and they ruled the earth as a shark for many years in the past. There are 23 different crocodile species. The crocodiles have a big variety. There are the Nile crocodile, the saltwater crocodile, the dwarf crocodile and everything. And there's also the alligators, which are two species, the Chinese and the American alligator. And there are also the gharials, which is one species, because they're stupid. Anyway, they're really endangered. And they're not dangerous. This type of crocodile is not dangerous. So, now, the first thing in which I'm going to teach you is how not to get attacked by a crocodile. First thing is not come close to a place that alligators and crocodiles live. But if you want to fish or something like that, you have to be aware of your surroundings really well and keep your eyes and don't keep your eyes off the water for a minute. Now, if you want to camp along a river bank, the best distance to put your tent is at 164 feet away of the water. And the best height is about 6 feet above the water. Two more significant things to not get attacked by a crocodile is to don't let your kids play without controlling them near a river in a tropical area, because a crocodile can eat the kid if it fits its mouth, because crocodiles eat everything. The same thing with a dog, because dog is an animal and crocodiles eat animals. You get it? Yeah, get that meat. Anyway, so now, if you find a crocodile overall, the thing is to don't get your eyes off the crocodile, because it might do something unpredictable, because it's an animal. And another thing is that you can't get close to its nest. If you get close to its nest and the mother is nearby, you're fucked. And just to know, the nest looks like something like that. Anyway, if you fall in the water that crocodiles like alligators or crocodiles live in, you have to get out of there as soon as possible and really calm, because they can see you and they will understand that you are drowning. They assume actually that you are drowning and they're going to eat you for an easy meal. And something last, if you find it in the beach, in the river bank or the beach or everything, you have to run. Crocodiles can't run really fast, except the freshwater crocodile of Australia that runs like a horse. Anyway, you have to run. And the myth that they say that zigzag is better to escape crocodiles is not real, because this will take you longer to escape from a crocodile. And another thing is that crocodiles can climb. Last but not least, the most significant part of this episode. If overall you get attacked by a crocodile because you are useless, you are unlucky like Asphyxis, you know? Or Samba. And let's put a photo of Samba here. Anyway, you get attacked. Let's say that you get attacked. You are in your boat and a crocodile grabs you and puts you in water. You have to hit him in its eyes and hit him as hard as you can. If you don't have something like that, better is to hit him with a stick or a rock, I don't know. Anyway, hit him in the eyes, and behind the tongue they have a little like organ thing. It's the most sensitive part of the body. And also hit him in the teeth, this will help a bit. After you survive the attack, you have to get as soon as possible for medical support and everything, because sometimes you might have lost your arm or something like this, and you have to send some teams to kill the crocodile with the alligator to retrieve your hand or foot, but that doesn't guarantee you that you will get it back safely overall. So guys, that was the video. Like, thanks for watching, share with your friends, everything, whatever you want. Actually, yeah. Now go out there and find the crocodile and teach him how to fight you actually. See you at the next hot fight or I don't know, whatever. Bye bye!